Here's the secret to winning this game. The ball travels along these two metal rods, but the metal rods are not flat. This side is higher than that side. It's on an incline like that, so if you just let the ball go, it's gonna go to that side. Now, the physics changes when you open the sticks up, makes the ball roll this way, but if the sticks are too far open, then the ball is gonna fall down wherever it is. Now, the object of the game is to get the ball to go as far as you can and get it to fall out here on Pluto, right? And this is a carnival game where if you can do it, you win a big prize. If you go here, maybe no prize. This is a small prize. The prizes get bigger and bigger, but no one can get it all the way here because they're trying these techniques of opening and closing, but when you do that, it's just gonna land wherever, right? So, then, when you get better and better at the game, what you do is you try to sense when the ball is just about to fall, and then you close the sticks again. That's not the real secret to winning the game. That's just what people do when they try to get better. So they try opening it, and then when it goes, they close it again. They try opening it, and closing it again, opening it. The thing is, when you do that, you're gonna be making mistakes. I'll try that technique the best of my ability, the open-close technique. So you open it, and then right when it starts moving, close, open it, close. And then we're at a point though, where now, see, when I open it, it's not even going towards me anymore. So eventually I would just have to drop it there, and then I get a Mars, the 500. So that is not the secret to winning this game. The secret to winning this game, and it might take you once or twice to do. So if plays are like $1 each or $5 each, then it'll cost you $2 or $10, depending on how much. But the key to winning the game is to only do one open, a big open, and then a close. And then the momentum of the ball, it will take you all the way back. Now, it's a little riskier because when you open it up so wide, there's more chance for the ball to fall out. But there's also fewer chances to make subsequent mistakes. And when you open it wide, when it's right there, that's going to propel it in a way where you don't have to constantly be opening it and closing it. So that's the secret of the game. One big open, and then you close it quickly to the point where it doesn't fall, and then you close it more and more as it travels. All right, so we're gonna try this out. One big open, and then close little by little. Here we go, big open, and then close it little by little. You can see, it goes all the way there. I didn't hit Pluto, so that would be another game here. So let's see, open it all the way, and then close it little by little, almost. One big open, and then just close it little by little, and we got it there in Pluto. Let's see if I can go 2 or 3 in a row. Let's see, here we go. Big open, close it little by little. 2 in a row, and last time, here we go. Big open, and then you close it little by little. There we go. That is how you win the Shoot the Moon game every time. You win the big prize at the carnival. Tell your friends.